Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about building interactive, generative AI applications. These types of applications tap into the power of artificial intelligence to create engaging and immersive experiences for users. Building interactive, generative AI applications has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology, creating personalized and engaging experiences that were once only possible in science fiction. With the right combination of technology, creativity, and innovation, the future of AI is bright, and the possibilities are truly endless. By and large, these applications can be broken down into three key components: data, algorithms, and user interactions. First, let's discuss the data. AI applications rely on large datasets to generate content. These datasets can come from various sources, such as social media, video streaming platforms, or even user-generated data. The more diverse and extensive the data, the better the generated content. It's essential to curate and clean the data to ensure high-quality output. Next, we have the algorithms. Create a strong AI backbone. This can be done using various machine learning algorithms, such as deep learning or natural language processing. Once your AI is built, you need to infuse it with the ability to interact with the user in a meaningful way. This can be achieved through various means, such as chatbots, virtual assistants, or game engines. These are the inner workings of the AI that determine how the application generates content. There are two primary approaches to generating interactive content using AI: generative models and decision tree models. Generative models, like the deep learning neural networks, work by analyzing the data and then generating new, unique outputs. On the other hand, decision tree models use rules and conditions to determine the output based on input values. Finally, we have user interactions. The heart of any interactive generative AI application lies in the engagement between the AI and the user. These interactions can take many forms, such as predicting user choices, answering questions, or even adapting to user preferences. The more the AI learns from user interactions, the better it can generate content that caters to the user's interests and desires. Building interactive, generative AI applications has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology, creating personalized and engaging experiences that were once only possible in science fiction. In conclusion, building interactive generative AI applications requires a delicate balance of data, algorithms, and user interactions. By leveraging large datasets and advanced AI models, these applications can create engaging and immersive experiences for users, making them a powerful tool for both entertainment and utility.
Hi there, I'm super excited to share with you my latest DIY IoT project. It involves building a smart home automation system using components from the Raspberry Pi and IoT Hub. By following these steps, you can build your own DIY IoT project and explore the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. To get started with building an IoT project, you'll need some basic equipment and a good understanding of the technology. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create your own IoT project. The first thing I did was to gather all the necessary materials. I bought an IoT Hub, a Raspberry Pi, power supplies, sensors, and various other components to build my own smart home system. Once everything was ready, I connected everything to the Raspberry Pi using the provided USB cables. You can identify the objects you want to connect to the internet. These could be anything from a light switch, a coffee maker, or even a smart thermostat. After setting up the Raspberry Pi, I installed the necessary operating systems and software. This included the Raspberry Pi and IoT Hub, as well as home automation apps. Then, I used an Ethernet cable to connect my Raspberry Pi to the internet. There are many IoT platforms available, each with its own features and capabilities. Some popular platforms include Raspberry Pi, Arduino, and Node.js. The next step was to program the Raspberry Pi to control the various sensors and devices in my home. I used an IoT app to designate specific actions for each sensor. For example, I could set up a sensor to detect when a door is unlocked, and then turn on the lights or send an alert to my phone. Once you've chosen your platform, you'll need to set up your development environment. This could involve installing the appropriate software, downloading libraries, and connecting your devices to the internet. Now that your project is up and running, it's important to test it and refine your design. This will help you ensure that your devices are communicating effectively and that your app is functioning as intended. Once my Raspberry Pi was programmed, I tested the system to make sure everything was working as expected. I was thrilled with the results, and I can't wait to see how my smart home system will benefit me and my family. As your IoT project grows, you'll need to consider how to scale it up. This could involve adding more devices, increasing the capacity of your network, or even developing a mobile app for your users. In summary, building a DIY IoT project can be a fun and rewarding experience. It allows you to explore the world of smart home automation and learn more about technology. With a little bit of time, effort, and creativity, you can create your own unique IoT system that will make your life easier and more enjoyable. Welcome to this brief introduction to generating 3D objects using generative models. Today, we'll explore how these technologies create digital models that can be used to generate physical objects. Generative models offer a powerful new tool for designers and 3D printing enthusiasts alike. By harnessing the power of algorithms, these models can generate impressive and realistic 3D objects from a variety of data inputs. Whether you're looking to create new product concepts, customize existing designs, or simply explore the possibilities of 3D printing, generative models have the potential to revolutionize the way we think about and create 3D objects. Generative models are based on algorithms that analyze input data, and using those algorithms, they create new, unique, and realistic 3D objects. There are two primary approaches to generating 3D objects: procedural generation and physically based generation. Procedural generation uses algorithms to create 3D models based on specific rules or patterns. These rules can be based on variables such as height, distance, or even color. For example, a program can determine how many blocks are needed to build a specific structure, and then use those instructions to create a 3D model of the building. On the other hand, physically based generation models use physical laws to create realistic-looking 3D objects. These models simulate the behavior of objects in real life, such as how sunlight interacts with a surface or how water flows through a network of pipes. Physical models are more detailed and accurate, but they require significant amounts of computing power and knowledge about the physical world to generate realistic results. One practical example of generative models in the 3D printing industry is the use of G-code, a programming language used to control 3D printers. By utilizing generative models, G-code can be programmed to generate new and unique 3D objects based on PI design models or user-entered data. There are many tools and platforms available for generating 3D objects using generative models. Some popular tools include Autodesk Maya, Blender, and 3ds Max. These tools allow users to create, edit, and analyze 3D models using their built-in generative algorithms. In conclusion, generative models offer a powerful tool for creating digital 3D objects that can be used in various industries. From designing virtual worlds to creating game characters, these technologies have a wide range of application. As the algorithms continue to improve and become more sophisticated, we can expect even more innovative uses for generating 3D objects in the future.
Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about the Internet of Things IoT and how it is revolutionizing the world of smart homes. IoT devices are connecting everyday objects like appliances, vehicles, and even our wearables to the internet, allowing them to communicate with each other and perform tasks on their own. IoT devices and automation are changing the way we live and work, making our homes more efficient, convenient, and secure. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative smart home devices to emerge, transforming the way we live in the future. So, what exactly is IoT? It is an ecosystem of everyday objects that are connected and communicate with each other over the internet, providing us with smart home functionality. With IoT, devices can exchange data, and through machine learning and data analytics, we can create smarter and more efficient systems. Smart homes are an embodiment of the IoT, where various devices work together to enhance our daily lives. For instance, with smart lighting, you can control the intensity and color of the lights from your smartphone, ensuring that your home is lit up exactly the way you like it. Take, for example, your refrigerator. If you forget to leave fresh fruits and vegetables inside, the IoT-enabled refrigerator can send a notification to your smartphone, reminding you to add more fresh produce. Smart home devices like these make our lives easier, allowing us to control our homes remotely and ensuring that we never miss a beat. Another great example is smart lighting. IoT-enabled LED lights can be controlled from your smartphone, providing you with the flexibility to change the lighting mood without ever having to step outside. Additionally, these lights can adjust to your schedule and conserve energy, making your home more energy efficient. With smart security systems, you can monitor your home's security using your smartphone, enabling you to remotely control your doors, windows, and lights if needed. Moreover, these systems can also send notifications to you if any suspicious activity is detected, giving you peace of mind. Smart home technology is not just limited to our living spaces, though. IoT devices are now making their way into our cars, providing us with features like autonomous emergency braking, lane keep assistance, and even remote starting. In conclusion, the IoT is revolutionizing the world of smart homes by connecting everyday objects to the internet and enabling us to create more efficient, convenient, and smarter living spaces. With the growth of IoT technology, we can only imagine what other fantastic innovations are on the horizon.